Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll go on the ride ZNH. It's like city mountain bike for under 600 hours, which is as you can see pretty decent set with 350 watt motor with 21 speed gear, Shimano. Also it comes with 160mm disc brakes, 26 inches by 2.2 inches tires by Chuanyang. I'm not sure if I pronounce right. It comes with a horn, which is cool, and light. 3 speed mode. This is a controller for the speed mode. It also comes with a spring fork, and I'm gonna go for a ride right now in these mountains and see how it handles the mountains. I am not expecting anything like crazy out of this bike, no performance, just basic riding to see if I can make it to the mountains. I made before with more powerful bikes, and I think I should make it because it have 21 speed, easy to gear up like if I need to. So let's go. It's a little bit muddy and my camera just dropped, so I'm gonna fix it, and probably would need to walk over here because it's muddy and I don't want to slide. We have rain over a few months already, so it's pretty muddy over here now, so I will see if I can actually make it up hills. So this is one of the toughest mountain hill over here. I'm gonna try to make it. I'm gonna shift probably to the front middle crank over here and see if I can make it. The camera dropped again. I need to attach better to the handlebar, but I almost made it. So I'm gonna reattach the camera and go further. So it is a little bit muddy as I expected, so we'll see.
Maybe I should try to do something about it. How do I?
And we'll see if actually the mud guards helps if the fenders works as well, because it's actually muddy and wet over here. We just have rain yesterday as well. And the tires is like more city tires on this bike, so I need to be really careful. It's like hybrid tires. They have a little bit tractions, but not a lot. Alright, so I decided just to record on GoPro right now. As you can see, it's a little bit muddy and very beautiful today. I'm very glad that I made it here. So far I am only on quarter of my way, and I'm gonna go further on the bicycle, not walking. I did have to walk just because the camera fell off and I have to reattach it. Otherwise I would make it on this bicycle as well. I'm gonna continue riding this bicycle on the GoPro, so let's go. So it will be kind of challenging. Never rode bicycle in mud like this. It should be, and also this bicycle actually hybrid. I think it's more hybrid tires, so it's not designed for mud or off-road. But so far it's good. You can ride it in the mud, I guess. Just be careful. I still need to readjust, but actually it's working not bad, the gears. I just need to get more used to it, but it's switching out of the box. I didn't do any adjustment. The suspension, it's okay, front fork suspension. I would not say it's great for the off-road, but it's okay. And a lot of corrosion over here, so I'm gonna try to be careful since I'm on the 2 inches tires, and I didn't put any slime in the tires. So usually I put slime to prevent any flat, but I didn't have time to do that. So it's all clay like tires, so it can get punctured easily if I run over something. Hopefully I will not. So now I'm going uphill. I'm gonna change to I need to change to speed number, to the highest level speed, to see if it will give me more torque uphill, because this one is kind of long hill and pretty steep as well. But due to the corrosion, it's not as easy to ride over here on this bicycle. Well, I'm still making actually. I don't feel much assist because the motor is not as powerful, and that's normal. I didn't expect a lot. Well, as long as I can make it uphill, that's all that matters. So far I made it halfway. And looks like the battery, it's almost empty for some reason when I use full throttle, and I rode about maybe 5 miles on it. Let's see if I can make it uphill. All right, I think this bicycle not powerful for the mountains, but still, in my opinion, it's a very good bicycle for student or anyone who is looking for bike to get to work, school, or anywhere. Most important right now was hard for me to ride because a lot of corrosion, and right here the same. I didn't expect. Actually, it's performed pretty good. Going uphill pretty good. Only when I stop for go over the corrosion, this bump. But I can go uphill, and I didn't expect, as I said before, to get any performance in the mountains because 350 watt motor and the battery is only 360 watt hours. But it looks like I'm gonna make it right over here. Beautiful. All right, so I made it a few hills already. As you can see, it's pretty tough hill, and this bicycle is not as tough. But again, if you're looking for budget bicycle to get to work without worry about they will steal it, this bicycle under $600. I'll post link in description, and it's pretty solid bicycle. This fork works pretty good, about 2 inches travel. Brakes works pretty good. No complaint so far. If you're expecting to ride a lot of hills in muddy situation like this, then you may consider 4 inches. Other than that, it's a very decent bicycle for the price you're gonna pay. And anybody who was thinking to buy a bicycle, this one is better than mini bicycle if you need to get to work, because you will ride more comfortably with a longer distance, with shifting 21 speed. Also, as you can see, the mud guards works pretty good. I didn't get any mud on my pants so far, which is good, and they do protect. I went through the water, mud. So far my pants is good.